What's going on, guys? Rirslash here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys, or basically a walkthrough of my plant cell in Minecraft 1.14 plus. Anyway, let's get on with the whole walkthrough. So first of all, I'm going to start out with the nucleus, the control center of the cell. This little green, orange rectangle in this whole block is basically, it stores hereditary material. It basically coordinates the cell's activities, like, for example, reproduction. Now, this white little thing is called a nucleus pore, and the yellow surrounding it is called a nucleus envelope, or a nuclear envelope. No, not a nuclear war gun. No, it is nuclear envelope. Now, when you go to the top of the nucleus, you can see ribosomes. Ribosomes make protein for the cell. Now, as you can see here, they smooth endoplasmic reticulum. That is a really long name. And there's also rough endoplasmic reticulum. My God, who named these? So these actually work very closely to the Golgi apparatus. I love this. So basically, this kind of it transports fat and lipids to the Golgi, where is it? Yeah, Golgi apparatus. And the Golgi apparatus kind of modifies it and kind of gives it to all the organelles. That's what it's called. The organelles in the cells, like a vacuole. No, a vacuole. That's how you say it. A vacuole, a mitochondria, and the nucleus even. Now, if we move on to here, like I said, a vacuole. What is a vacuole? Well, there's two different type of vacuoles. Since I'm doing a plant cell, my vacuole is called a large central vacuole. But if it was an animal cell, it would just be called vacuole. Large central vacuoles are only for plant cells, while vacuoles are meant for mostly animal cells. Now, as you can see here, this green looking thing with the green, what is this, lime terracotta inside. If you're wondering what that is called chloroplast. This is only found in cells. Yeah, plant cells. That's what it is. Chloroplast is only found in plant cells. So that's pretty cool. Now, obviously, this plant cell needs energy. I mean, it has protein, and the Golgi apparatus sends protein, but it needs energy to do all of this stuff. You need energy to do this. That's when the chlorophyll, sorry. That's when the chlorophyll come in. Yes, chlorophyll. This basically makes energy from the sun. Yes, the sun. There you are. Yeah, it makes glucose, or not energy. It makes glucose or sugar and basically gives it the energy to the cell. Now, in what is it called? An animal cell, lysosomes would be, to give energy. But since this is a plant cell, we have chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Yay, chlorophyll. Now, mitochondria. This is my second favorite. Golgi is obviously better, but mitochondria. This is my second favorite. It's the powerhouse of the cell. Go mitochondria. Amazing. It is considered the powerhouse of the cell, like I said. This basically, gives power to the whole cell. Obviously, this is kind of useful. It takes nutrients and breaks it down, and then with the nutrients that it just broke down, it provides energy like a powerhouse. Hey, see what I did there? So now, onto the cell wall, the very outer of the cell. As you can see here, it's this huge floating cube. My gosh. But yeah, this is the cell wall. This is the cell wall, okay? The cell wall basically is a protective layer to provide support and protection for the cell. Because without the cell wall, the cell's basically naked. It needs a wall. Yes, walls are protective. That's why it's called walls. Now, this is the plasma membrane that just looks like something. It's from the high-tech. No, it's not high-tech. It's plasma membrane. Plasma membrane can also be considered as just cell membrane. This makes, let's say if a nutrients want to get into this cell and help it out, this will be the gatekeeper. It'll say, no nutrients, you look like a virus, get out. But if it is a real nutrient, it'll say plasma membrane. I'm plasma membrane. Welcome to the plant cell. It's basically like a gatekeeper. It lets in good stuff and it doesn't let in bad stuff, basically. And that is basically all that my plant cell has. Obviously, there's a bit of little stuff like the thycloid membrane. I hope I said that correctly. And the starch grain. And where is it? The peroxisome. What the heck? But again, I think the ones I just stated in this video is actually the main ones. Yeah, and if you're wondering, this blue layer outside the vacuole, that is called tonoplast. At least that's what I heard. Anyway, I hoped you liked this video, and see you again. Bye!